Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So on a Tuesday and Thursday, I like to keep those days free so that I can share tutorials that have a die focus. So if you like dies that do a lot of the work for you and then you've just got more time to decorate, then you'll really like the Creative Craft Products range. I will link to it below if you're new to my channel, but they're really good for all of your basics, all of your tools, nesting dies that will cut all of the fun folds for you. And then, like I said, you just have to think about how you want to decorate them. So this is part of the Numbers Galore collection. So there are other numbers, all those big milestone numbers. So whether it's a birthday or an anniversary, then they're really nice to create these shaped cards. They're great for like gift tags, toppers, things like that as well. But I've made this 18th birthday one, and I've also used the die to create a shaped card. So it's all attached there. It all displays, you know, really nicely there, and that will fit into a 6x6 envelope, but you can put this onto a bigger card if you want. And like I said, it looks really nice as a gift tag on a gift bag as well as part of the present. Very, very quick to do, so let's get started. So this is the Numbers Galore 18th die set. So this one will make, or will sit on a 6x6 size card, but I'm going to make the card. Well, I've done it. I'm going to talk you through the card blank for this one. See all the stamps at the bottom there, and then this is the main die. I'm also going to use the Happy from the Modern Sentiments, which I've already cut there. And then the papers and the decoration is from my Glitz and Glam paper collection. As always, everything will be linked below. And then inside, I'm stamping, or I've stamped, the Let the Adulting Begin. So you want to take, first of all, to create your card blank, I've kept this here so it's easy for me to show you. So this is a piece of A4 card that I just scored through the middle and folded in half. Using the outline die, I then laid it over the top, but making sure that the cut line on the left here is overhanging that fold. You then pass it through and it will give you this here, but because the cut line is overhanging on that fold, it's kept it attached. So now we've got our side fold shaped card. And you'll see inside there I've stamped Let the Adulting Begin. Then what you want to do is I've cut that die again just in black card, and that will now stick right over the top. The card will still open, and then using the 18, I've used some fun foam here. This is like the 2mm foam. If you've got foam adhesive, you could use that as well. But that's going to go on top. You'll see you get that nice frame. And then I've taken this paper from the pad, and that's going to go on top, so it really does pop. Okay, so that's everything stuck down. Again, you can see it all stands up nicely. And then to decorate the front, I've got these from the Glitz and Glam collection. The Happy is going to be, I think, up there. And then I've taken the TH, although you've got the stamp here and the die in the 18th, you can see it there. I've actually used it from one of the other number sets, so I've got the shadow because I wanted it in silver. The silver against the white just looked too lost, so I thought that there, Happy 18th, and then Let the Adulting Begin. And then these, because they're long, I thought it would be nice to kind of build them up in the one. So there's the finished card. I think it looks really, really nice. Very quick to do as well. This took no more than 15 minutes. When everything's already cut for you and coloured, and then the dies, you know, create all that shape for you. It's, you know, they are quick to put together, and I love the sentiment inside there. So like I said at the beginning, there are loads of other numbers as well, so I'll have them all linked in the description box below. But if you like these cards that do all the cutting for you, and then you can just have fun with the decoration, do check out the Creative Craft Products range. It's a really good one for all those basics and dies that do all the work for you. As always, thank you for watching today. I'll have some other fun tutorials coming up now that you might want to go and watch next. If you've enjoyed today, please give me a thumbs up. It does really help out the channel, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.